I would like to share to you my experience about. I think nowadays in this day and age, we need to stay at home a lot, because outside of home, if you don't have anything to do except for working, for earning or make a living, just go home immediately and make worshipping at home, because outside of your house there are a lot of tribulations, a lot of activities that is not encouraged to do nowadays, because of engaging with many activities or conversation, useless conversation, futile conversation. And for me, I prefer whenever I finish doing my work, just go home and do activities at home, because I listen to Muslim scholars saying nowadays don't stay outside a lot for doing something unimportant, except for your job and for getting knowledge, for Islamic knowledge outside. That is important for us. After that, just go home. Don't hang out a lot with friends that involving many unimportant, very futile activities. Secondly, in this day and age, it is really bad for men, and for many men nowadays go out, and including their fathers, and go out often, and then the children will follow their fathers. What the father do, the children will follow. After that, they don't ask their fathers, but they just see what their father do. They just follow without asking. It is a bad example from father or parent to do something bad that his or her child will follow without proper directions or teachings, especially or guidance. And thirdly, many women nowadays we see staying out of a lot, and it is really bad for women nowadays. Not only nowadays, but I think in the past as well. And nowadays they become more and more stay out, and sometimes they don't really. I think many women nowadays need to get married soon.
Masya Allah, Allah, ya Allah.
Because they need someone who can
protect her,
stay by her side, stay by her
Allahu Akbar.
stick with her.
As soon as possible.
They feel lonely, because they feel lonely.
Every single night, lonely every single night. You know what?
That's really important to encourage parents to allow his or her children to get married after high school, without if the girl are parents can check their activities. The children, the girls like to to do makeup, to go out a lot, and the parents should recognize that the children are becoming adult, and then the parents should give proper teachings, guidance for them, so that they will not fall into dark side or dark world. For me, I prefer to stay at home and just watching YouTube and learning English every day, reading New York Times, and then just engage with English activities, learning every day, language learning, and also engage with learning CAT questions, CAT question, CAT questions about before the testing, began for my testing. I think this month it will become the announcement. First, and finally, yes, it is really good for every one of us to sort what activities that we can do outside, and then we can think before we go outside, and then maybe these things we can do inside or at home without having going to outside, and then we can minimize the risk in the future. That's all for me.
Alright, in case